3 vegetable soups for quick weight loss diet. Soups and weight loss have always had a friendly relation. When made at home, soups are completely healthy and make for a great weight loss recipe. And not just chicken, even vegetable soups are great for weight loss. If you are someone who is trying to lose weight and are often confused about what to eat, in this video we are giving recipes of 3 healthy vegetable soup for you. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Clear vegetable soup. To make the soup, choose vegetables that are high in fiber. You can take broccoli, carrot and any other vegetable of your choice. The reason it is healthy for you is because vegetables have health-boosting vitamins and minerals. Carrots are low in calories and broccoli contains phytochemicals, both of which help in losing weight. Ingredients: 1 cup broccoli, 1 cup carrot, 1 cup green peas, 1 cup capsicum and 1 onion along with 6 garlic cloves, black pepper and salt as per taste. Chop all the vegetables finely. How to cook. Take a pan and heat a tablespoon of oil. Now sauté garlic and onion until brown and then add all the veggies and sauté for 5 more minutes. Now add water and let the mixture to boil. Cover the pan and let the mixture boil on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper as per your taste and serve hot. 2. Mushroom soup. Mushrooms are delicious as well as healthy. They have been proven to promote weight loss by regulating glucose and burning fat. Mushrooms are rich in protein and can boost your metabolism, promoting weight loss. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped mushrooms, 1 teaspoon cornflour dipped in 1/4 teaspoon skim milk, 1 sliced small-sized onion, salt as per taste, 1 cup milk, black pepper as per taste and 2 cups of water. How to cook. Take a pan and add chopped mushrooms and milk to it and cook until the mushrooms become cool. Now keep it aside for cooling down. Once it cools down, take a blender or a mixer and blend this into a smooth paste. Now sauté the onion in a pan until brown and keep it aside. Now mix the mushroom paste and onions and boil it for 3 minutes. You can add cornflour to make the paste thicker. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes and serve hot. 4. Cauliflower soup. Cauliflower, also called phul gobi in Hindi, is one of the most nutritious and easily available vegetables. According to the data by the United States Department of Agriculture, 100 grams of cauliflower has only 25 calories. It is a perfect option to keep your calories in check while trying to lose weight. Ingredients: 10 to 12 cauliflower florets, 1 chopped onion, 2 small chopped potatoes, olive oil, 5 garlic cloves, cream and vegetable stock. How to cook. Take a pan and sauté garlic and onion until brown. Now add potato, cauliflower florets and vegetable stock and bring to boil. Add cream and cook until you feel the texture has become creamy. To make it more smooth, you can blend the mixture and serve hot. We hope this video may helpful to your weight loss journey. If yes, comment below and tell us. Like and share this great video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.